We get a lot of questions from you guys on what makeup to buy, what products are trending, and what everybody's loving.
And if you have similar questions, this is the video for you. Hi guys, welcome back to the SSBeauty YouTube channel. I'm Rimsha.
And I'm Resham, and today we're here at the Shoppers Stop store at our city mall, and we're here to get our hands on the best-selling makeup products.
And what better way than to take help from our beauty experts, our beauty advisors. Come.
Hi. Hello. Can you help us with the best-selling like skin prep or priming product?
This is the best-selling product which gives you illuminating and dewy effect to your makeup.
Can you help us with the best-selling foundation? See, I knew this was going to make the list.
Yeah, I definitely thought so too, because it's one of those best-selling foundations that everyone doesn't stop talking about. Rimsha, you know what time it is?
It's haul time! Okay, so we've secured a bunch of these products from different categories, and these are apparently the best-selling makeup products.
So now comes the fun part, where we're gonna create looks with all of these best-selling cult favorite products and see what we think about them and why you need to add them to your collection.
Okay, let's go.
So the first product I asked for was a prepping or like priming product from anyone in the store, and they said that this M.A.C Strobe Cream is one of the best sellers, and they come in 3 shades, but I like this one, Goldlite.
Goldlite.
So you get like that dewy, hydrating finish with it.
For me, when I asked for another best-selling priming product, I got this L'Oreal Paris Infallible lasting primer. It's supposed to be really good for people with oily skin and visible pores. And I'm really excited to try it out because I don't usually go for mattifying makeup products. But let's give it a try. I hate to say this, but maybe I don't totally hate a matte base.
It looks really good. You look like so mattified, but like so smooth also.
It is very comfortable to wear. It's got like a little runny consistency.
Yeah, it looks like serum-y.
Yeah, very serum-y, milky consistency, which is very comfortable to wear. So big thumbs up.
Next product.
So in the foundation category, one of the best sellers is this foundation by NARS. It's called the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Yeah. I think the whole range, I've only heard good things about it. And as excited as Resham is, I'm also very excited to try it out because I've never tried it before. What is your base product?
So I think everyone's seen me talk about the Fit Me Maybelline foundation, and I feel like everybody also knows that it's a cult favorite. So it's just a classic, and I already tried it and love it. So I was like, let me just recommend it again to you guys.
Let's try it out.
Yeah.
Dude, this is going on so nicely. Look, this part of my face.
Looks really good.
I know, it's
and
amazing.
You only took so little bit.
I did.
Look at my Rimsha. I'm done.
So easy.
I just feel like it's a really good, comfortable option to always go back to.
So Resham, what's next on the list?
Blush. So I think we've all seen this K-Beauty cream blush like take the internet by storm.
Yeah, you would look at the packaging and you'd be like, it's so small.
Yeah.
But it packs a lot.
Yeah, like
because a little
need a little bit.
Little goes a long way.
Yeah. What's yours?
Oh, so mine is the Lakme Multislayer Face Stick. So I have the color Pink Powerhouse.
You're a pink girly. Pink blush girly.
Dude, I love this blush. Look
it
at
looks
it.
really good.
I thought it was going to be too pink for me, but love it.
I like it.
Show me yours. It looks really nice.
This side.
Very naturally flushed.
That's why I like cream blushes.
I think both of these blushes, A1.
Yeah.
Already scored an A1.
This is the Chambor Mauve Eyes Studio Pro palette. It has like really nice mattes and like a collection of shimmery shades. Look at this like really pretty Silver in the
silver.
middle.
I think
a
it's
little
like
bit of
a
definition.
one and go palette because
Yeah.
like you can have it for your day looks, you can have it for your night looks.
I feel like that's why it's probably one of the best sellers.
What I've gotten my hands on are these Arcelia eye pencils. They're called Arcelia Blink Spell Kajals, and you can use them on your eyelids and like for an eyeshadow look. And these are apparently like really popular at Shoppers Stop and SSBeauty stores.
But the blue one is the most best selling, so you should try that one.
Okay, yeah, I'll do that. So the shade is Blue Twinkle. The color is so interesting.
You know, Aishwarya used that on live last week and it was really nice.
Yeah?
I did it, Rimsha.
Me too.
I did different look. It's pink. It's pink.
I love it.
It's not brown.
Dude, I love it. I did a little blue liner situation with this Arcelia Kajal.
It looks really cute.
Yeah, I love it. I think the next product would be, I think mascara. This one by M.A.C. It's called the M.A.C Stack. I know for a fact is a bestseller because I think I'm one of their most regular customers. What about yours?
So we all know I'm a Maybelline girly. And like mascaras, like Maybelline just makes the best mascara. I'm gonna use the Sky High mascara. I've already used it a lot, but it is really amazing. Done. I love it. Amazing, fantastic, great product. Must get it. Delicious.
Dude, look at what a difference the mascara's made.
I love how it looks. I love it.
I think next would be highlighter, yes. So, when I asked our store expert what is the best-selling highlighter, she handed this K-Beauty highlighter to me. And let me just tell you, we were not surprised.
Yeah.
We all know how K-Beauty products are viral.
Yeah, I was actually looking for a nice highlight for my inner corner, so we'll be able to test it perfectly.
I'm gonna take the M.A.C Strobe Cream and do something that I've been doing to my makeup of late. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a brush.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah, looks good.
Right? And then I also like to go in like over here and then a little.
Second last product. So when we asked for lipstick, the first thing that the BAs told us about were the Maybelline lip vinyls, which everybody loved, and it is just amazing.
And another brand that she told us was doing really well in terms of lipsticks was LoveChild by Masaba. And can I just take a moment for the packaging? Like, how quirky is that?
Yeah,
so
super
cool.
cute.
Yeah, so I have the LoveChild by Masaba Lush Matte Lip Creme. And there's another lipstick, LoveChild Candy, in the shade Sweet Supreme. So we're gonna try these out. It is so perfectly nude.
That is such a nice color.
I love your lip color.
I love yours. That's such a perfect nude.
I know, right?
I like the shade range actually. They have a lot of shades.
Yeah, made for Indian skin tones.
Yeah, and it just like won't move all night. It will look like this, and it's a matte liquid lipstick that literally will stay on.
Yeah. Okay, now to finish off the look, we have one of the best-selling makeup setting sprays over here, and it's by Faces Canada. It's the Ultime Pro Makeup Fixer, and it comes in this cute spray bottle. You want me to spray you?
You spray yourself, it's okay.
No, let me do it. I've never done it before, let me do it.
Okay, let me show you how.
No, let me do it.
Let me show you how to do it first.
So these are the looks we created using best-selling makeup products at Shoppers Stop stores.
Which ones are you going to add to your collection, Rimsha?
I think, okay, the Masaba lipsticks for sure. The Lakme stick I already have. So the NARS foundation, definitely, as I said. You know what? It's stupid to just like name every single product. Let me just say that I'm impressed by every single product on our tables
I agree.
because they're just so good.
Okay, so that is it for our looks. If you guys enjoyed any of these products, let us know which one you're going to be adding to your makeup vanity.
So now you guys know exactly what products to revamp your makeup collection with.
If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and put in the comments what you're going to be adding to your collection. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!